Really excited to be able today to share with you the CIB's fourth quarter results and the results from the 24-25 year. It was a really exciting year for the CIB. We continue to make incredible progress in investments across the country. As of March 31st, the CIB has now invested in 94 infrastructure projects across the country. We have now committed $15.8 billion of our portfolio to those projects, which have a capital value in total of $46.1 billion. That represents real momentum and real progress on the infrastructure priorities of our country from coast to coast to coast. In the fourth quarter, the CIB announced some really innovative investments that were first of a kind or new for us. Those included the Calgary Aviation Hub, where we're partnering with the airport and the private sector to build an economic hub at the Calgary Airport. Our Inuvialu Energy Security project, which was about getting independent energy supply for 6 remote communities in the Northwest Territories. And our project in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, called Soquanato, which is a transmission intertie, where we're working in partnership with Nova Scotia Power, New Brunswick Power, and the First Nations to build new transmission capacity that will allow for more reliable, affordable energy in Atlantic Canada. This year, we also reached an extremely important milestone for the bank when we passed the threshold of $1 billion of our investments in partnership with and to the economic benefit of Indigenous communities. Over 1/4 of the projects the CIB has invested in to date are in partnership with Indigenous communities. These span energy projects, trade and transportation opportunities, infrastructure that allows for the new building of housing, and economic development and growth in community. Over the last few months, infrastructure has become part of our national dialogue in a way it never has been before. The core sectors that the CIB invests in: green energy and the energy transition, clean power, trade and transportation, transit, broadband and digital infrastructure. These remain incredibly important to the future of Canada, to our economic productivity, and even our sovereignty. And we look forward to doing even more to build the infrastructure Canada needs to be economically prosperous, well-connected, and safe in the future.